Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've already started, so my hands are already muddy. I'm just doing a little, as you can see by the title of the video, where's that gone? I'm just doing a little harvesting video. It is quite early on, so there's not loads of stuff, but I think I've got a few bits that I need to sort out. So if you get to watch this video, then I do manage to get some stuff. And if you don't, then you won't know any different anyway, will you? But I'm hoping I can get some broad beans, some potatoes, some raspberries, some sweet peas, and something very exciting, which is our first of the year, and you'll see later. As always, I've just stung my hand on stinging nettles because I always forget my gloves are in the car, but I always get stung, always. Right, so getting there. As usual, I didn't bring anything to put them in, so I'm going to go and see if I can find some kind of basket. Sorry about that, you fell off. Just looking for some kind of basket or something to put them in. Ah, found something, sorted. So that'll do nicely to put the broad beans in. And then what I'll do, so I'll take them home like this, and then I will pod them when I get home. There we go. I'm going to get on with getting some more. It always surprises me that you think you haven't got that many, but I mean that's not bad, and I still have got quite a few more to do. So there's lots of garlic there. They are only small, but there's plenty there, so that's good. Got some gooseberries, and I've stung my hand again. So not only trying to avoid the prickles, because gooseberry bushes are very prickly. Stay at my hair. There's stinging nettles growing up in between them, and now that hurts. So that is not bad out of one 30-litre bucket. I mean, it's not loads, we've had more before, but yeah, quite happy with that. So this is what I've got so far. So I've got some garlic, which I'm going to leave to dry. I'll take some home and then some leave to dry. Some gooseberries, some potatoes, some garlic scapes. I can't remember what you can do with them, so if you've got any ideas, let me know. I don't know if you just chop them up and add them into whatever. And then obviously all my broad beans. So I'm just going to go on to my other plot now. I didn't realise I was going to have this much, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to carry it all. And I was going to take some more sweet peas, but I haven't got enough room for them. But I am coming back tomorrow, so I can leave some stuff and bring it back tomorrow. So here they are, the first ones of the year. It's a Roma, and then we've got a Tigerella and another Roma. So that's exciting. So I've got these to add and a gherkin, just basically a cucumber. I did just look up what these yellow bits are, and it said about extreme heats. So it could be where it was very hot last week. So it's just on them too. They might have been direct sun or something. But it did say that they are still safe to eat. They just might not taste very, might be a bit bland. So there's my Tigerella. And my other Roma. Right, now I'm going into the jungle to try and get them raspberries that are over there. We'll see if I manage to get any. So a quick roundup of everything I've got. So not loads of raspberries, but a handful. Gooseberries, Charlotte potatoes, gherkin cucumber. You can just eat it like a cucumber. Tomatoes, lots of broad beans. I'm taking home just 4 garlic. The rest I'm just going to leave in the greenhouse just to dry. And then I've got the garlic scapes as well. So all in all, not bad. So it's just starting to rain now, so I am going to head home and try and start podding some broad beans. It's quite therapeutic actually. And yeah, clean my potatoes and see what I can make with all my stuff. Nice garlic potatoes as a start. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're getting loads off your allotment or in your garden, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.